As the first listed company in China specializing in eco-friendly paper bags, Nanwang has maintained rapid growth since its establishment in 2010. By 2024, we have built hundreds of internationally advanced automated production lines, with total assets exceeding $360 million. We implement strict food process quality control, from raw material inspection through manufacturing to final packaging and shipping. This ensures complete traceability and strict compliance with global food safety and ISO management standards. By setting dual benchmarks in efficiency and quality, we serve as a leading drafter for over 10 industry, group, and national standards governing products such as paper bags, paper cups, and non-woven bags.